Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our art world. And this is our first class, you and me. Today's class we have to learn a fun activities today, and that is I hope that you will enjoy. Now we have to learn the portrait painting. Portrait means it's a face. My portrait, your portrait. How to start the portrait now? Before the portrait, the last year we learned the art elements. There is a line, shape, form, value, color, space and texture. Now this class, we are using only the line, shape and color. For the portrait, example. Now I will start my portrait myself. My face, it's looking like this is oval shape. Okay. Now look at my hair and look at my eyes. Eyes, it's a half semicircle. Two semicircle. My nose, big triangle. Now my lips, up and down. This is the half semicircle and this is the half semicircles. Look at my ears. Look at my ears. And this is small oval. This is the small ear. And tell me about my neck. How it is? This is after the oval. This is the two straight line. This is two straight line. Now, how is my shoulders? My shoulders is after the line, again the straight line and down till here. This is the till here I am going to draw myself. Ourself, how we have to observe our face. Like mine is a oval shape is there, small eyes and big nose and little big lips also. And look at my hairs. What is the style this is? And you observe my hairs. It is out of the ear. See, it's like this. And one more interesting things I have. That is pony. See, look at my pony. This is also my part of portrait. See how nicely I have done this. My pony. I think I am looking nice. Okay, now this is my hairstyles. I am telling that is how we have to observe ourselves for the portrait. The face, two eyes, nose, what is the shape are there? That is the lips and the ears, and what is the styles? My shirt, I am wearing a shirt, and this is the colors are there. So that is white color there, white, red and black, and there is some lines are there, right? That is a pattern. Okay, I will show you how to start the portrait myself.